So, you've bought a TV online, and the e-commerce company has asked you to wait for the technician to come and install the TV at your home. The technician will come after 2 days, but you are getting impatient to wait for the technician. So, you decide to install the TV yourself. But, wait. Let me tell you why you should not do this. In case of online purchase of high-value items like TV, refrigerator, washing machine, microwave oven, etc., it is always advisable to get the installation done by company's authorized personnel. I'd suggest even to do the unpacking in front of the company technician in order to avoid any complications in future. Suppose you didn't wait for the technician and opened the box yourself. You never know if the TV inside is damaged. If so, any supplier would be suspicious of you having caused the damage due to careless handling. They may refuse to give you any replacement in such case because you won't have any proof that the TV was already damaged. You might think that in such case, you'd claim the warranty on the TV, but remember, warranty is given only for manufacturing defects to parts, and that is easy to find for any manufacturer. Since the TV you purchased was damaged while being transported to your home, you won't be able to prove that it was already damaged and you didn't cause that damage. And you won't have any witness of this. For proving initial delivery damages, usually the courier delivery man or the technician is often an authorized person from the e-commerce company. If you find any damages, then you can refuse to accept the delivery. Please remember, no third party can be a witness in this case except the company's technician or the courier delivery boy. You could be subjected to a total loss of money if that happened. Even if you install the TV or anyone else, manufacturing defects are not caused by buyers, and every company knows it very well. No professional company would refuse to honor the warranty against manufacturing defects of its product. Always keep a little patience and wait for the technician to come and open the packing of the TV. It would be a big relief for you if the TV comes out of the box with damaged screen or anything else. In such online purchases, once you receive the delivery of the TV at your home, the company's authorized installation technician calls you to fix an appointment for his visit. This way, you can save yourself a lot of trouble by waiting for him. If you find this information useful, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you want more useful information like this, please let us know in comments and subscribe to our channel. We'd be bringing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.